to the social side on TVJ. I am your teacher, Tyler, and today we are gonna teach these people behind me, if you can see them, I hope you can, some football terms. I will introduce my team.
Hi everyone, my name is Zaevia and I bring the vibe.
Hola, Instagram, yitigity. I am the teacher's pet. I am Walter, not to be confused with the original teacher's pet.
Oh!
Hi everyone, I'm Mix. I excel at everything, so I expect to be the star student today.
Okay, class is in session. Dale. So for the first football term that you will learn today, it is what we call a hat trick. Say it with me, hat trick.
Hat trick.
Okay, so what is a hat trick? A hat trick is what you do like that. Step by step for me.
What's you say about heart attack?
You're gonna do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna kick the ball in the goal. That is what a hat trick is. Gracias. Now everybody is gonna do a hat trick for me. Okay. Walter, can you, please?
I love mercy.
Gracias. It is not gonna go far. 1, 2, 3. Dale. I said dale a long time
Tyler, I'm up in that age.
Okay.
Never really build up into it, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, this is not a 5-hour class.
We're pushing 30. Like,
Dale.
Dale, mis amores, dale. Bueno. That is great. So if you do that 3 times in a row, that is what you call a hat trick. Okay? So for the second word, it is called a handball. Say it with me. Handball. This is where you deliberately the ball touches your hand. When you are playing the game, it is not supposed to happen, but that is what they say when the ball touches your hand. Okay. So I am gonna throw the ball at you, and you're gonna try to stop the ball with your hand and then your foot. And then I'm gonna
hang. What she mean by
Walter, do you have something to say?
No, you say hang.
Gracias. Okay. Now I am going to throw the ball to you first.
Oh.
And then you're gonna try to stop it with your hand, but it's supposed to be your foot.
Okay.
And go. Wow, and that is a handball. That is what you call a handball. Give her a hand. We have the penalty kick. This is what they use to win the games because they are not playing well, okay? So this is when you stay in the box, the goal box, and you kick the ball in the goal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, dale. Oh,
Pretty much.
A penalty kick. Bueno. Okay. The next one is called a header. This is when header. Say it with me. Header.
Oh, header.
Heather actually.
This is not your cousin,
There?
and this is not a person. This is when Walter, when the ball hits your head.
Oh, head.
You strike the ball with your head. Okay. Walter, please approach the goal. I am going to bounce the ball on your head a little bit, and you're gonna try to get it in the goal. So come right here. Turn around. You're gonna try to hit the ball like that into the goal.
No.
Yeah. ¿Estoy listo? ¿Listo?
Listo.
1, 2, 3. My students, the next one is what we call in Jamaica salada. Salad.
She hungry.
I am very hungry.
Sir.
Pero in football, we call this nutmeg. Say with me, nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Bueno, so this is when you play the ball through an opponent's legs while retaining the position. So everybody, I want you to maintain a position.
Okay.
And I will kick the ball through your legs. I'm getting the ball.
So we maintain what?
Your position. Wow, this is...
Señorita, No, you come, you fragile.
Wow, the goal handball it's not safe for me. I have a lot of hair on my head. Okay, Walter, stand right there.
Right here?
Act like you're playing a good game, but you're not. Open your legs. Like that! That is how you do a salad. Salad. This is not about food, this is about the game.
Okay.
And what we do in the game is we play it rough. Okay, for the next word, this is what we call VAR.
What?
Say it with me. You have to roll your R's
Show
like that. VAR.
Bar.
One more time. VAR.
Bar.
VAR.
You want to compensate individually?
Okay, you can do. Okay, Walter, you say VAR.
Var.
Roll your R's.
Roll your R's.
Rrr. Okay, good job. Mikayla.
I can't roll my tongues.
You really are not it.
Ooh. Okay, stop.
Wait.
No. Oh. Wow, you did your best. Okay.
No.
You did your best.
Yes.
Leia, your turn.
She now passed that.
VAR. Perfecto.
Am I the only one who
That was so good. Wow, bueno. So VAR is
No,
the
it's
video assistant referee. And this referee, and he looked back at the video like that to say, wow, that did happen. Wow. He did hit it in the goal like that, and he stepped on his foot like that. Okay? This is just the person that looks on the video camera. So that is my job. You guys cannot do that.
like a security.
Okay? See, just like a security.
So security good.
And then the next one is foul. Foul.
I don't care.
Foul. Just say the word, Walter. Foul.
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 Foul. Perfecto. This is an illegal physical contact on the pitch. So if I push you like that, and if I kick you like that, and I punch you like that. Oh. Did I actually punch you? I'm so sorry. So if you do any of those three things on the pitch, that is a foul. Say it with me again. Foul. Perfecto. I do not want any fouls on my field. And for the last word for this class, this is the defender. Say it with me. Defender. Defender. Gracias. Bueno, this is the player that has to stop the other team from getting in the goal. So if I am on the winning team, I am at the goal like this. You are the other team. Come behind me. I'm getting the goal like that. You're gonna stop me from getting the ball. Get the ball. Walter, get the ball.
Oh, to get the ball.
You are bad at this game. What? Why don't you have the ball? Okay, so he is a bad defender, but he did what he was supposed to do. Okay? So the person that is supposed to stop the team from getting into their goal.
Oh, I was supposed to stop you. I never get that.
You were listening?
No.
Bad grade for you.
Don't tell me
So
that.
that is what a defender is. So let us just go back through all of the words so I can see if you know how to say them. Hat-trick.
Hat-trick.
Handball.
Handball.
Penalty kick.
Penalty kick.
Header. Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Bar. Foul. Walter, I did not hear that. Foul.
Foul.
Gracias. And the last one, defender.
Defender.
Bueno. Now it is time for the test match. Hey! Play it again!
Rekka.
Yellow. For you.
No, wait.
Because they're shouting at the red. Red card for you.
Good.
No, me I lift up.
Play game.
Oh.
Play ball.
This time. Oh, me I get ready. Then push me in the box.
You don't shout at the red.
Exactly.
Penalty.
Play game. Play ball.
Oh, goodness.
The man stop.
Play the game. No. Foul. Red card, yellow card, foul. Everything bad is on the page.
So it's a penalty kick.
Penalty kick for Walter.
Okay. I'll be the goalkeeper.
Okay.
Right there. Right here. That is where you take your penalty. If you miss the ball, you are a loser. Go.
Come, Zaevia.
Walter, if you go back one more. Mighty goodness. Ay, Dios mío. And I want you to keep it today. Oh.
Yo! Winners win, bro! The keeper didn't even know, God!
I did my best.
That was
I got it.
Gracias for coming to the social side on TVJ. I am your teacher Tyler, and I hope you learned a lot from this class today about football terms. Adios.